मैम स्ट्रेट में, मैम लेफ्ट में, लेफ्ट में, लेफ्ट में, मैम ऑन योर लेफ्ट प्लीज, ऑन योर लेफ्ट प्लीज.
Deepika, right. Deepika. Said for the evening, are you wearing a Sabyasachi as well? Looking tall and beautiful, I must say. What's that?
It is Sabyasachi.
Okay, that's a new sign.
Everything, head to toe, except my shoes.
Right. So, are you a Sabyasachi fan? Like you've been a supermodel before you became an actress. So,
I have always been a fan of his work. Yes, I was introduced to Sabyasachi because I was a model, and I got to walk a lot of times for him, whether it was actually, yeah, that time there was only one fashion week. So at the Delhi Fashion Week, I walked for him. I'm doing an interview, 1 second. So yes, I did get to walk for him a couple of times, and I've been a fan of his work ever since. And I think what makes me really happy now is to know that he, he has, I wouldn't say commercialized, but at least he's come out of being like quiet and closed, and like he's come out and he's out there, and he speaks, and his clothes are available, and I think most importantly, I think his clothes are a true representation of India in every sense.
When can we see you probably, wearing a Sabyasachi outfit out and out in a film and doing something similar to? Because he's very retro. If you have to look at it somewhere, it's very vintage. So, any plans of doing?
I'd love to. I'd like to, and we have in the past spoken about working together in a couple of films. Unfortunately, it didn't work out, but definitely, I think he's someone who I'd love to work with. Whether it's a film, whether it's personally. I'd love to work with him.
Right. Also, lastly, Deepika, yesterday we didn't get a chance to talk to you. But then, what was the response like when you spoke to Mr. Rajyavardhan Rathore?
I don't think this is the platform right now to be discussing. No, I don't think this is the right platform to be discussing that. And then what happens is comments are taken and then misconstrued, and so I don't want to say anything in a hurry. The show is waiting, so I'm going to go, and we'll definitely talk about this another time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.